Avoid these 5 mistakes during Salah if you want blessing from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Do not offer your Salah in rush. If you are running late or you are thinking to offer Salah very quickly, don't do that. This is a mistake. The purpose of your prayer is to get peace and the closeness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But if you do in rush and hurry and quickly, you will lose it and you will lose the quality of Salah. Do not make excessive and unnecessary movement. This will lose the attraction and focus, and you will lose the concentration. Some people, if they miss Salah, like they are coming late and they miss 1 rakah, but if the Imam is in ruku or sujood, they will not follow the Imam. So they will complete Fatiha and they will do the ruku. So this is a mistake. Prophet Muhammad said Muslim must follow the Imam during prayer. If you are not following this way, then you are making a mistake. The Prophet Muhammad taught that the sajda should be performed by bowing down and prostrating while your nose and your forehead touch the floor, with the elbows away from the ground, by saying or by reciting Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. If you are not following this way, then you are making a mistake. If you are looking left, right, up and down during Salah, which means you are losing concentration. Forget anything occurring in the environment and focus on communication with the Allah Almighty. अगर आप अल्लाह ताला की ब्लेसिंग लेना चाहते हैं तो अपनी नमाज को बेहतर करें, और नमाज को बेहतर करने का यही तरीका है कि आप मैक्सिमम फोकस अल्लाह के साथ जो है वो कनेक्ट करें। आप खुद देखेंगे कि अल्लाह ताला की ब्लेसिंग आप पे कितनी ज़्यादा होती हैं।